fucking ready.
Anyway, the tail on this worm has such action that if I reeled it in, look at that. I can use it as a surface lure.
Dude, that fucking bird was ready for it, man.
Getting on it.
He was fucking about to.
That'd be fun. We'll add that to the list.
Bird fishing?
Bird fishing.
You want to see where the other one splashed? Look at him.
I don't see what bird you're talking about.
Seriously?
Yeah, what bird are you talking about?
The one right here in the tree where you cast it last time? He's fucking sitting there. He's looking at you now.
Oh, I see. Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He's about ready to pounce on your fucking worm when it was over there. That's why I said, holy shit, that bird.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I think I might just stick on hook and bobber and go have
Okay.
some fun.
Well, you brought worms for a reason.
Actually, I'm gonna go check over there, see if maybe that fat-ass bass is back over there.
Yeah, catch him again. There you go. You guys can see the bird she's talking about. Oh shit, he went after it.
He went after it?
Yeah, he sure did. I don't know what the hell to do.
Did he get it? He got it. Reel it in.
Oh, no, he didn't get it.
No, he had it. He had it in his mouth. He's still going after the fucking thing. Is he still going after it?
I'm snagged.
He looks better than his first one.
Oh, he's got it in his mouth. He's got it in his mouth. He's pulling on it. You guys seeing that crazy bird out there? Oh, hey, he got me off the snag at least. That's wild. Let's see how bad he messed up my worm. Well, he didn't mess it up. He's kind of right where I want to fish, though. Let's cast it away from him. To there.